At my first Alpha Man training stage, I introduced my followers what is the Alpha Man attitude at seduction and dating. Why Alpha Man is so successful, why others men do not have the results we want. Why women want Alpha Man. Women do not want man who manipulates her emotionally, physically and mentally. Instead of that, she wants man who can provide her emotional and physical safety. At the beginning of my journey, I was a nice guy like everyone. I was good at my school, but I didn't know how I can be more confident with girls. I did not know the psychology about women. Today, I know that women are absolutely different than us. Today, I know for that reason I am at this world. I know my mission, goals and actions. Today I know that most of women want real true alpha men. No jerks, no bad boys. Why? Alpha male has the mix of the best man traits. He is spontaneous, adventurous and also can provide women in a good way. He can create beautiful relationships with amazing, gorgeous, clever women. My mission at my Alpha Man training is to insert Alpha Man thinking and behavior to my followers, to my students. As I trained men in Lithuania in Europe about 5 years, I realized one very important thing. If you do what other successful people do, you will get results. You will start live life with ability to seduce any woman you want. As soon as possible, my followers get alpha male mindset, they get results. So at the first stage of the Alpha Man training program, I train my followers how confidently approach one girl. She can be everywhere, in street, in shop, at university or college. Everywhere. If you're an alpha man, you can seduce women in any place you meet here. No, my followers can control a fear of rejection. I train them how to observe, notice women who search a man for relationships. Today we know major two categories of women. There are physical and emotional type of women. Each type of girls want different things in life. Each type of girls requires a different seduction method. If you seduce all women with one tactic, that is the reason why you fail. Every woman is different. I teach my followers how to behave in most situations, but there is no stupid pickup routines. If you use this in incorrect way routines, women will see you as a player. So be careful with pickup trap. Instead of that, I strongly recommend you as soon as possible become alpha male. Why? Scientists done a research and they found that today all women dream about alpha men. If you can be masculine in every social situation with women, they will see you as a powerful man. If you can lead her towards your goal, if you are confident to talk with her, if you are confident to talk with other males, if you can react quickly, advisedly in situations, then you have real alpha power. That is the reason why our beta males lose every situation for alpha male. Alpha males always win. If there are two alpha males, who will win? Stronger, real alpha male always win. To become real alpha man, it's very hard work. In my Alpha Man training, there are followers who did not pass my exams. Why? Because they did not done homework. All my followers who became alpha male must understand one rule. 30% of time they spend in my Alpha Man trainings, and other 70% they spend by themselves. They individually go and talk with strangers. They individually read books, they must. They watch DVD, they must. They do all tasks that I recommend for them. It is so important. Why? The more practice you did, the more chance you have to pass my exams. The most successful followers on my training are those who can approach one girl and be rejected. Those who approach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times and get rejected. And then they approach 8th time and win. Those who are very persistent. Those who know. If you want to do something great in your life, you must be patient and persistent. If you want to change, if you want to get results in your life, you must get rid from people who stops you. If your family stops you from what you want to do in your life, it is bad. Your family will never understand what you really want. Why? Because they never ask you. They never ask you such question. What are you really want to do in your life? Are you confident at this time? Are you happy? Instead of that, they say you, go and you will be happy. It is not correct. Alpha man understands one important rule. You cannot change your family. You can't just accept it. The one thing that you can change is yourself. Change yourself and other people will see a successful man example. Who is successful man? Man who understands that we live in information age. That means the more you know, the more chance you will do your action successfully. The best paid people are those who know how to do, how to get results. Less successful people are those who think that you must work hard and fast. Today we know one thing. If you want to be successful, you must know how to do it.